Everything started in 2015, when I spent 1 year exploring Europe's northern forests. The trees dancing in the wind, the birds singing so beautifully, the blue skies and its flowing clouds. It all awakened incredible feelings inside me. That year changed the way I look at the world. It changed my life. When you're in nature, you feel more awake. Your senses light up, and all of a sudden you feel greater appreciation for everything that's around you. And somehow you feel happier and more fulfilled. Most people spend about 87% of their time indoors. And our modern lives have grown very much apart from the natural. While it's true that we can't avoid technology or indoor life, we can make the experience better. This is why I created Forest Homes, to blend the spaces with the natural environment and transform our indoor experience. Nature does not only bring beauty to the space, it is also great for our minds and bodies. It helps us feel more relaxed and be more productive. It reminds us of important life lessons, to live with purpose and to feel free to live your own truth. We must connect to nature in our interiors for our well-being. Forest Homes helps you connect to nature. It helps transform your day-to-day life into a more beautiful, stimulating, and happier living.